TMR fam, what's good? We're back. We got another unboxing video for you. So what's up everybody, welcome back again. This is the Mail Review. I go by AG, and on this channel I'm here to be your friend, your comrade, and your brother on this journey of fragrances. So on this channel I'm hoping to walk alongside you as we explore our olfactory sense through niche, designer, Middle Eastern, and clone fragrances. And with that being said guys, today we are doing an unboxing on none other than Chez by Bond No. 9. And I don't know what that is, I just heard something move. I don't like that. I don't know what it is. Nothing's leaking out the package, so hopefully we're good there. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. We're gonna get this thing unboxed. I mean, it is wrapped up tight, but we're gonna go ahead and get this thing unboxed, and we're gonna get into how this thing actually smells. All right, guys, and here we have it. This is the box. Chez by Bond No. 9, New York. 3.3 fluid ounce, 100 ml, eau de parfum, natural spray. So we do have this outer sleeve. Slide it off. And I've always liked their presentation. I do have one other Bond No. 9 fragrance. I have a few more that I would like to eventually get my hands on. But I saw this one, and I know that a lot of times we get into niche fragrances, that a lot of them are unisex. Of course, Bond No. 9 is no different. They, market a lot of their stuff as unisex. But for some reason, I was thinking that this one was like way more floral. It was like kind of more on the feminine side, but I wasn't exactly for sure. Then I actually started looking it up, watched a couple videos on it the other day, and I was like, it seems like this would be okay. So we went ahead and got our hands on this one, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up now. We get a nice little box right here. We're gonna slip this cover off. And let's see what was moving around in the box. I don't want to drop anything. Okay. And there it is. Chez by Bond No. 9. And it may have just been that little card. I've known a lot of times they get, okay, that's what it is. It's the card. So most time you will get a postcard in the box. And this is just for you to fill out, and you can get like make sure it's nothing else. No, it's nothing else. Okay. So you get this little, you get this little postcard, and this is more so meant for you to fill out and send back in. Says, now that you are a proud owner of a Bond No. 9 fragrance, we invite you to join our Insiders Club. Membership involves no obligations, though we are so keen to hear your feedback and ideas that we've got an Insiders phone line. So they give you the phone number and email address, and give you the email address just for you. In addition, you'll be the first to receive free samples of our newest scents even before they officially debut. Scent surprises will be mailed to you on a regular basis. Your phone and email orders and requests will receive priority attention. Now, I do have one of these when I bought Lafayette Street. I filled it out. For some reason, I never sent it. It's sitting over here on my desk, so I need to go ahead and get one of these sent off just to see what we get out of that. And this is just, they got instructions for use on the back in the shape of the bottle. That's really cool. It's got instructions for use and stuff like that. So anyway, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this fragrance. So let's look at this thing, guys. Again, 100 ml presentation. I've always loved their bottles. Really cool looking bottles. And yeah, we got our little sticker down there on the bottom. And yeah, just a really nice, classy presentation on this one. And this is supposedly kind of like an inspired, this had, a lot of people say this had to be inspired by Green Irish Tweed by Creed. So if you know anything about Green Irish Tweed, a lot of green notes in that. You get this nice vanilla that comes in the dry down. Fantastic fragrance. I love that fragrance. Great for the springtime. But I was watching a video the other night, and I came across this one. I think it was actually the late Kevin Samuels, and looked like a much younger Kevin Samuels. And he was doing a review on this, and he was saying that It definitely, you can smell where they talk about, green Irish Tweed with this one. You could definitely smell it, but he said there's, and I'll get to the notes in just a minute. There's a tea note in this one. And he said that is what really makes him like it, is because of the tea note and how it comes down. And he said he actually prefers this to green Irish Tweed. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to read off the notes. And then we're going to go ahead and see what this thing is smelling like and get a couple sprays in the air. So it looks like notes, we're getting citruses, we got some grass, we got green notes, we got sandalwood, we got violet leaf, we got tea, vetiver, and cedar. So that first note breakdown that I gave you guys, that actually came from Fragrantica. I wanted to see if there were maybe, especially in the greens, if they had like any distinguishing notes, anything. And so I actually went to Bond Number 9's website. Notes, I get sparkling citrus tones, leafy greens, herbal tea accord, violet leaves, vetiver, cedarwood, and sandalwood. So yeah, they don't really say anything too much different than Fragrantica. That's just what they have on here. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this. We're gonna get it on paper, also gonna get it on skin, see what this atomizer looks like, and we're gonna move on from there, guys. Okay, so of course these these tops are not, they do snap on, they do hold pretty good. They're not magnetic or anything like that. So we're gonna take that off. Let's see. Decent atomizer, nothing to write home about. Oh. Oh, yeah. That's green Irish Tweed all day. That's wow. But oh wait a minute. So yeah, I smell it. I can smell it. Like, I love it when somebody says something about a fragrance and then you can actually pick up on what they're talking about. It's sitting back a little bit right now, but that tea note, it smells like it's an herbal tea note. It smells like, not like an actual hot cup of tea, more so like if you went to a tea shop and opened up a jar of tea leaves and smelled the leaves. This is like some green tea. Oh, I like that. This is great off paper. Some stuff with the citruses, it can be kind of harsh off paper. This is, wow, that's fantastic. Let's get this on skin. I'm gonna put some of this on. Let's see it. Man, that's nice. That's nice, guys. I understand it's wintertime right now, but oh, this is gonna be great come springtime. Springtime banger. This is gonna be great. Even going into the summer, I can see wearing this. Now, definitely, definitely spring and summer. I don't really see this too much in the fall or winter, really. I wouldn't wear it in the fall or winter. Spring, summer, definitely heavy on the spring. This is gonna be great, this is fantastic. I love it. Great pickup. And this also was a blind buy. I looked at some of the notes, but I've never actually smelled this. Of course, I've smelled green Irish Tweed, but never actually smelled this one. That's fantastic. I love it. So yeah, it's gonna definitely be spring, summertime fragrance. Also, I would say, more so gonna be daytime. Yeah, I would just wear this one out and about. As far as an office fragrance, maybe not as much. I think you get away with it. Yeah, I think you can get away with it. It's clean. It's very clean, but it's just that green note that's in it. Some people might be slightly with that. I don't even think people would be offended with that. It's just green and citrus is what I'm smelling with this, and then I get that tea note. Now, I'm really interested to see if when this one dries down, if I get more of that, if it has any vanilla. Well, this thing, the note breakdown, did not have anything about vanilla in it, if I'm not mistaken. It did have cedarwood and sandalwood. And definitely you do get that bold, woody smell from that cedar. And that's one thing I've always liked about cedar, is just how cedar cuts through stuff. Maybe I'm getting a little bit of sandalwood in it, but it's tucked back behind it. So I'm interested to see what this one smells like on the dry down, to see if it's more of that sandalwood comes out to give you more of that slightly, not warm, but yeah, almost slightly warm, silky, seductive scent that just comes out at the end. But this, I mean, just, yeah. Wow. Yeah, that tea note is definitely coming through on this one. I like it. This is good. This is good. All right, guys. So I gave this one a little bit of time to dry down. And I am getting more of that sandalwood coming in just a little bit. It's not super heavy, but it is good. I do like it. Now, is that would I say that this is a 1-to-1 clone with Green Irish Tweed? No, simply because of that tea note. But you definitely smell it. When you smell it, that you definitely off the spray Green Irish Tweed all day long. I would just say it's not a 1-to-1 simply because of that tea note that comes through. But man, that is fire. I like that. So definitely, even if you have Green Irish Tweed, this, well, would you want to spend the money on it to get it? Maybe not, unless you're just that big of an enthusiast, which if you are, then I'd say go ahead and do it, because you're getting something slightly different with this one than what you would be getting out of Green Irish Tweed. But still, it is really good fragrance. I enjoy it. I'm going to love wearing this one coming up. Actually, I'm going to find it, because I mean, me personally, when I get a new fragrance and I get excited about it, I'm going to find a way to wear this one now. Like I'm gonna find a way to wear this one soon, just to put it on. I want to see how it performs, period. Just, all the way around. But just off of smell, like I said, I wouldn't say that it's a winter fragrance. It's definitely not winter. Spring, summer, banger. Sparkling citrus tones. Definitely get that. You get those leafy greens and that tea, definitely comes through. The violet, that's what it is. That's what it is. Okay, violet leaves. Vetiver, cedarwood, and sandalwood. It's the violet. That's why I said something floral is starting to come out in this one. Slightly, yes, it is. It's the violet, but that smells great. I'm really enjoying this one. I'm going to really enjoy loving this one. I'm going to really enjoy wearing this one coming up in like the spring, summertime. Yeah, this is fire. From the House of Bond number 9, guys. This is Chez. So that's going to do it for today, guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, go ahead, join the family, tap the subscribe button, also hit the bell notification. That way you get notified anytime that I post. And also, to help the channel out, guys, make sure that you like the video, comment down below, and then also share this video with somebody else who you think will want to be a part of this family. So that's going to do it for today. And until the next one, guys, this is the Mel Review. I go by AG. And remember to always stay distinctively unique.